In this video I want to identify one of the key points that Kevin Hogan makes in his excellent YouTube video 7 Magic Words, and this is using the person's name. I make sure that I use this because if you use a person's name, rapport actually grows and that person will get a liking for you, particularly if you're meeting somebody for the first time or talking to a new person, a new customer on the telephone. But it's important when you use the person's name that you use it to start the conversation and to finish the conversation. So you say, hello, I'm going to use my own name here, Paul. It's nice to be on the phone to you, having a chat, and then you say what you'll say, and then you finish. That was wonderful, Paul, thank you, and I will be phoning again soon, or what you're going to say. However, if you overuse the name, people will feel that they're being manipulated even if they're not. So, for example, a lot of salespeople do this, and it's a mistake. They go, Paul, I've got this fantastic deal for you, and Paul, are you getting very excited? And Paul, you know you're talking to the best person that knows what they're talking about. It's incredibly irritating, and as I said, people feel they're being manipulated at this moment, even if they're necessarily not. So if you're going to overuse the name, it's better not to use any names whatsoever. So make sure, again, the beginning and the end, and by doing that you can't go wrong. In the video I'm going to link to Kevin Hogan's 7 Magic Words, but if you're interested in the work that I do, how NLP and hypnotherapy can move your life forward in many positive ways, then one of the things you can do is subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click that little bell to make sure you get every single notification. If you give me a like, that'll really help too. And if you wish to go to my website, it's www.paulgoddardnlp.co.uk. Thank you for watching. It's important that you only use it at the beginning, and I've got a fly in my eye.